When Allah loves you, He becomes the hearing by which you hear, the sight by which you see, the hand by which you strike, the foot by which you walk. What that means is, you will get to a point where you only hear those things that are pleasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Things that you used to listen to because they pleased you, you now actually dislike them because you know that they're displeasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is natural, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created you in a way that looking at someone from the opposite gender that's attractive is pleasing to you. But because you know that it's not pleasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you actually want to lower your gaze. You actually don't want to look because you know that it's not pleasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You find an aversion to things that you naturally incline towards. Why? Because Allah is more precious to you than even yourself. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَشَدُّ حُبًّا لِلَّهِ. And those who believe, their love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is greater than anyone's love for anything else. That's a love